Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing the vehicle and getting the right tools: Torx T20, 10mm socket, and a trim pry. Once done, disconnect the battery and mark spoiler alignment with a small piece of tape or a 1/8 paint pen so you can realign later. Support the spoiler from below with a padded block. Remove the trunk liner fasteners, 3 usually, so you can access the mounting bolts. Work deliberately. You are preventing scratches and keeping hardware organized. You now focus on the central removal steps. Loosen each mounting bolt a few turns, alternating sides so stress is equalized. This prevents cracking. Once bolts are slack, have a helper support the spoiler while you remove the last fasteners. Disconnect any wiring for brake light or defroster gently, push tabs, do not pry. Place bolts, washers, and clips into 3 labeled bags by position. Make sure to protect painted edges with tape so the spoiler won't mar the finish. Finish by cleaning the mating surface. Remove old adhesive with a plastic scraper and a mild solvent and make sure holes are clear. If you plan to reinstall, apply new manufacturer-approved adhesive foam tape or sealant in a continuous bead. 1/8 thickness is common, then realign using the tape marks and hand-tighten bolts. If gaps appear after tightening, address them by loosening and reseating, then tighten in 1/4 turn increments. Use a 0.5 mm shim under the bracket if needed. If wiring fails, check connectors and fuses next.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.